Hello friends. Welcome to video where I will introduce the course that Barcode Sales Application Training Series. We are here to develop a barcode sales program together in this comprehensive training. Barcode sales programs are essential software widely used in the retail sector. Business owners rely on these programs to track sales data, monitor inventory, and manage critical information such as revenue. By joining this training, you'll learn how to develop a customized barcode sales program that caters to the specific needs of businesses. Moreover, you'll have the opportunity to market and utilize this application for your own business or for your clients. Throughout this training, we aim to enhance your development skills and provide you with step-by-step guidance on creating a practical barcode sales program. The program will encompass features such as a product sales panel, product registration and listing functions, inventory management, sales reporting, user-friendly labeling, and quick access sales menus. Additionally, we will explore the mobile aspect, enabling you to efficiently scan product barcodes using your smartphone's camera, view product information, and update data on the go. We will utilize PHP to develop this application, offering comprehensive insights into both fundamental and advanced techniques. Additionally, we will delve into the intricacies of database design, providing you with detailed information on structuring the necessary data tables. This training is designed to empower you as a developer, equipping you with valuable skills and practical knowledge to simplify your work in real-world scenarios. We believe that by successfully completing this training, you will have taken a significant stride towards creating an outstanding barcode sales program while gaining invaluable experience for future projects. You can register the course available on Udemy via link in description. Remember, we are committed to supporting you every step of the way. Feel free to reach out for assistance whenever needed. Thank you for choosing our training, and we wish you great success in maximizing your learning experience.